What's up YouTube? Welcome to Code with Lakshit. So now you know what are strings, integers, floats. It's time to introduce to you a new function called list. Let me show you. It is basically a compound in which you can store multiple objects. Let me show you how. Let's declare a function called my obj equals to what using the list you have to use these square brackets. Now write something in it, 3 4 5 comma. You can also write different type of data types here, like string, also floats. And now for printing them, simply print my obj save. Let's print them. Here you see that we get these objects 3 4 5 6 etc etc etc. Now I will introduce to you one more thing which is called range. Let me show you what it is exactly. My obj equals to oj, we leave it list. Now write range here, then use parentheses. Let's say we want the list from 1 to 10. What it will do is this: it will create a list from 1 to 10. Let me show you how. Print my ojg. Let's see what I will get. 2. Here you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Now you can do one more thing. You can assign a third thing here. Let's say we want the gap between these 1 to 9, 1 to 10 of two numbers. We will put 2. Let's see what will happen now. Here you can see that every number which we are getting is have difference of 2, like 1 3 5 7 9. We can do this for multiple numbers like 100 and so on. Here you can see. So thank you for watching. Meet you in the next tutorial.